Good evening, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, or much better, how to upload a presentation to Hypersay. So first you need to open your browser and type hypersay.com. You need to create an account, but it is also possible to use your Google account, so you don't have to create a new account and you don't have to type your name, your email address, cell phone number. You just can use your Google account. Once you have signed in, you are going to click on this icon, dashboard, and this is the library. And in this part, in this section, you will find all the presentations that you have created, as well as the presentations that you have participated in. And with this option, you can start a new presentation. You have two options: upload a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF document. You can also import Google Slides if you are making a collaborative work with a classmate or with someone else. So I'm going to click on upload a PowerPoint presentation. I have an example that I shared with you a few months ago, and it is organizational patterns. So we need to wait a little bit until it uploads completely. This is a very nice tool because you can make the public be part of your presentation. So it is not going to be classical presentation in which you are the center and your public doesn't participate. It is not going to be that way. You can ask them questions and you can see the results in the screen. So the participants are going to feel included in the presentation and they are going to feel motivated to speak and to participate in all the questions that you ask. Okay, it is ready, and you need to type the title of your presentation. In this case, I'm going to type organizational patterns in a text. Organizational patterns in a text. Okay, go to the presentation page, and in this part you will be able to see the presentation. As you can see, I have 5 different slides, and I'm going to click on this icon, prepare, and here you will have the chance to include polls, quizzes, open questions, even media and text. These are some of the options that you have. You can add an interactive image and embed video. So it means that you can include a video from YouTube, text, or even links if you need to send the students to another website. You can add open questions, short answer. This is just 1 word long. You need to emphasize that part to the students, because if you don't do it, then they are going to get confused and they are going to suppose that they can write a whole long answer. In this section, polls and quizzes, you can add yes/no questions. Opinion scale, this is very useful, especially when you are making debates on, or when you are talking about controversial topics. Multiple choice and custom polls, just to see if, just to find out the different opinions that the students can have about a topic. Now I'm going to choose opinion scale. Now you are going to click on this and you can drag it into the slide that you want it to appear in. But you have 2 options. As you can see, there is a plus icon, and if you drag it into it, then a new slide will appear. So in this case, I don't really like it. I prefer to include this question underneath in one of the slides. So I'm going to include it in slide number 4. Okay, I'm going to type a question, and it is are organizational patterns important, or let's say necessary, to understand what the message of a text is. And all the participants will have the chance to choose from one of these options: strongly agree, agree, neither agree nor disagree. They are like Fajardo, so like in the middle. Disagree, strongly disagree. Okay, so you click on save, and this is the way your slide would look like. So you have the slide, you explain whatever you need to explain, and then at the bottom of the slide, the question will appear. Are organizational patterns necessary to understand what the message of the text is? And the participants will be able to click on the answer they believe is correct. Now it is your turn to interact with these tools and with these possibilities that you have. As I told you before, this is a very nice way to make interactive presentations. I want you to include at least 3 of these different questions so students can participate in your presentation. If you have any questions, then you can add a comment, or you can send me an email so I can answer any question you might have. Well, you can click on this icon back to the slide list, and when you're ready, I mean when you are going to present it to the public, then you need to click on this icon, Go Live. And as you can see, the platform or the website is going to give you a code. In this case, my code is ROWRO, and it is a link. So students are going to type this link in their browser, and they will be able to participate in this presentation once I click on this icon, Continue to Presentation. So I'm going to click on it. And this is like the way it looks like. You can navigate through the slides with the arrows. Okay. So you can change from one slide to another, and you will see some tools that I don't really know why they don't appear in this part of the screen, but once you are live, they are going to appear, so students will have the chance to write or type any question they might have, as well as any note. So you can also add notes, like maybe if a student come up with a very nice comment or something and you want to save it, then you can add a new note and save it to check it out, in the future. So this is all by now. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, see you soon.